Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Greenhouse for LinkedIn candidate pipelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Greenhouse account. Navigate to the admin panel from your dashboard. In the left sidebar, select Integrations. Scroll down to find LinkedIn under the list of integrations. Click on the LinkedIn option to open the configuration settings. Ensure you have your LinkedIn Recruiter account details ready. Follow the prompts to connect your LinkedIn account to Greenhouse. Once connected, you will see options for configuring candidate pipelines. Select the specific job roles for which you want to set up candidate pipelines. Customize the pipeline stages by clicking on the Pipeline Stages tab. Add or edit stages according to your hiring process needs. For each stage, define clear criteria for candidate evaluation. Save your changes before moving on to the next step. Next, navigate to Jobs in the main menu. Choose the job for which you want to configure the LinkedIn candidate pipeline. Click on the Job tab and scroll down to find the Pipeline section. Map the LinkedIn pipeline stages to your Greenhouse pipeline stages. Ensure that each stage aligns with your evaluation criteria. Confirm that all settings are satisfactory before proceeding. To finalize, review the integration settings once more to ensure accuracy. Test the integration by uploading a candidate from LinkedIn to Greenhouse. Monitor the uploaded candidate's progress through the pipeline stages. If any issues arise, revisit the integration settings to troubleshoot. Ensure your team is informed of the new process for handling LinkedIn candidates. You are now ready to utilize LinkedIn candidate pipelines within Greenhouse effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.